Jensen Huang's global AI tour, from Washington to Beijing. Imagine a world where artificial intelligence is as essential as electricity or the internet. This is the vision that NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang is passionately promoting, and it's causing waves in both Washington, D.C. and Beijing. This month, Huang took center stage in these global powerhouses to highlight the transformative potential of AI for businesses and societies around the world. But here's where it gets controversial. Can AI truly be a universal good, or will it widen existing inequalities? Let's dive in. In the heart of the US Capitol, Huang sat down with President Trump and key policymakers. The message was clear: NVIDIA is fully behind the administration's push to create jobs, bolster domestic AI capabilities, and bring manufacturing back to American soil. The goal? To ensure that the US remains the global leader in AI technology. This is the part most people miss. The emphasis on onshoring manufacturing isn't just about jobs, it's about controlling the entire AI supply chain, from development to deployment. Meanwhile, in Beijing, Huang engaged with government and industry leaders to discuss AI's role in boosting productivity and creating new opportunities. The conversations emphasized the importance of global collaboration in developing safe and secure AI technologies that benefit everyone. But here's a thought-provoking question: can international cooperation in AI outpace the growing geopolitical tensions? Or will AI become another battleground for global dominance? Huang also had exciting news for NVIDIA customers. The company is moving forward with applications to sell the NVIDIA H20 GPU once again, with the US government's assurance that licenses will be granted. Deliveries are expected to resume soon. Additionally, Huang unveiled the new NVIDIA RTX PRO GPU, designed specifically for AI-driven digital twins in smart factories and logistics. This GPU is fully compliant with regulations, making it an ideal choice for industries looking to integrate advanced AI solutions. During his visits, Huang underscored a critical point: AI has reached an inflection point, becoming as vital as energy, water, and the internet. He emphasized NVIDIA's commitment to supporting open-source research, foundation models, and applications. These efforts aim to democratize AI, empowering emerging economies across Latin America, Europe, Asia, and beyond. As Huang explained to reporters in D.C., general-purpose, open-source research and foundation models are the backbone of AI innovation. We believe that every civil model should run best on the US technology stack, encouraging nations worldwide to choose America. But here's the big question: can AI truly be a force for global unity, or will it exacerbate existing divides? Will open-source initiatives level the playing field, or will certain countries and corporations still hold the upper hand? Share your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear your perspective on this complex and fascinating topic.